Hello YouTube. We got a few more parts left and I'll be able to install this limited slip differential. Let's see what came in today. Okay, this is the inner bearing to the pinion, the outer bearing to the pinion, and the bearings and races for the outside of the carrier. So we got the outer bearing and races, the inner and outer pinion bearings. Okay. The only thing I need now is just two parts. The races for the inner pinion and the outer pinion bearings. Once I get those two little items, I'll be able to get this installed. They should be here in about a day. So we're almost there. Till next video, I'll see you.